Hi there, this is Tamas, and I would like to talk about phone holders in cars, especially with circular vents. We have a Toyota Prius C or Toyota Aqua, and it's very hard to find suitable holder, and I don't want to block my view and put something on the windscreen. Rather, have something here. So I try to design a holder which is fixed here in the slot and give a sturdy mount for a phone. Okay. So I purchased a cheap car wireless car charger online. Obviously, this does not have a good mount, so it has this mount point ball. So my target is to design something that I can put this on, and that will create a steady mounting point for the wireless charger and what I can put my phone in. Let's see what happens. After a bit of mock around with the design, I came up with this 5-part 3D printed design. I chose not to print in one piece things because I thought it's way stronger depending on printing direction. For example, I have this stem going into the vent and grabbing the vent blade, and this must be very strong in this direction when I'm tightening the whole thing. And if I look at this threaded head, what holds the stem should be strong in kind of this circular direction to be strong enough to have the thread, and printing thread is not easy. Okay, so to assemble this you need 4 M3 20mm bolts and a screwdriver. It's very important to follow this order. I have this grip plate, and that goes first on the stem, and actually this is where it's gripping in between. Now I just need to screw this threaded head on it with the sunken holes. This project has been published on Thingiverse. Please find the link below in the description. Okay, half of the work is done already. Now this is the tightener roll, threaded nut goes on. This will tighten on the whole holder. Now I have 2 mount points here for this attachment part that will hold a small ball attachment to the charger. Again, you just have to screw in 2 M3 20mm bolts here. Okay, and as a last step, just slide in the ball holder, and voila, ready. So let's go and install it in the circular vent. Okay, let's try to mount the insert to the vent. I need to come in, hook it up, roll it down, push it down, and then tighten it. If it's visible there. Is it visible? And then I turn it down to the down position, because then it is resting on the edge, so it's stable and not trying to turn sideways. And then last step, put the tightener, clip it in, and then fasten. Nice, easy as. If you would want to use the same solution for a linear vent which has like a shorter blade, I also put a shorter stem design there, but the basic principle is the same. However, there are some spacers, so I'm gonna use for this one, just to demonstrate, this holder plate. There is one and two. I'm using the 2mm spacer rather than the 5, I think. And then just again screw the threaded head. I have some company here, visiting company. Oops. Watching the things. Okay, so this last part, I just put the tightener screw on and ready for demonstrating in the car for the linear blade. Let's check that out. Okay, so let's try to insert the holder here again, hook up the stem, and then tighten with turning the tightener. Okay, and then you have a sturdy mount. Obviously you can put again any slot, or just use these 2 mount points to mount anything on it. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.